Hi, I'm Maile Collmer. I'm a business consultant. I specialize in business development through relationships. And today what I have for you are my top 3 tips for your best business marketing one-to-one meetings. So this is where you get together with another like-minded business professional with the intent of building a referral relationship. So oftentimes they're called one-to-ones, and you could also call them a business meeting, a marketing meeting, or a one-to-one. And what I hear often from my clients and other people in the local networking community is that sometimes they have a hard time making sure that those one-to-ones are productive. So I have my top 3 tips for you. Number 1, a productive one-to-one always has 2 elements. You want to be getting to know each other personally and professionally. So it shouldn't be one-sided where it's all business or all personal. There should be a combination of the 2 because we really want to build the relationship. And the only way you do that is by doing both personal and professional. My second tip is to think about what's the one thing that you need to know about that person in order to refer them. So what's that one next thing that you need to know? So you want to ask them that question. Here's the one thing, the next thing that I need to know. And then you can ask them for what is the one thing that they need to know about you and your business in order to send you referrals. So it could be a number of different things. It could be, well, I need to know you better personally. If you're talking to a nurturer, they probably need to know who you are before they refer you. Or it could be some factual information or, just different aspects to your business or how to send that referral. So you want to ask that next question about how can, what's that next thing that I need to know about referring you? And then my third tip is always a great suggestion is how can I help you, right? So aside from just referrals, what is something that I can help you with in your business or personal life, and just see how you can help support one another. So those are my 3 tips for productive one-to-one meetings. Make it both personal and professional. Ask what's that one next thing that you need to know about giving a referral, and how can I help? I'm Maile Collmer with Asentiv.